Hello, my name is Brightstar. Some of you might already be knowing me for my fashion, for my suits, for my grandparents, for my laughter, for my stories. I am a business owner as well, so I have built a business, I have built a team, I have built an image, I have built a brand in social media. But somewhere along the way, I forgot to build the most important thing or the most important person, and that is me. And I didn't know how bad I was. I didn't know how bad I was until, oh, a story for another time. So this is me. This is my channel. This is my channel for me to like record rebuilding me, rebuilding, revolutionizing the process, and bringing me along. I promise not to show you the chaos and the cries and all the. I'll just show you the process. And honestly, I think it will be cool for me to have my daughter or, adopted child or whatever. I mean, and show them this channel someday. So, welcome to Rebuilding Brightstar. Hi, my name is Brightstar, and welcome to Rebuilding Brightstar. Day one of Rebuilding Brightstar. And I'll show you something. That is my office bed. You can see the office ones there. And this is where I woke up from. How I ended up sleeping in the office is a story for another day. But yeah, this is something that can come out. I have been learning how to do my hair. I'm trying my best to learn this. I normally have someone to help me, but I'm also trying to learn to be like a little bit independent because, I'm growing.